anything. You don't want anything, but I found some anything boxes. I gonna finally buy it. Can you like subscribe for I open my new and this one. Oh, ganda. Ganda ba? And let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
Kabilang bahay.
On the box. Oh my god! So cute! Look how cute it is! Look how cute! So squeezy. He said open. So let's open it. Oh my god! My god! What is this? It's a watermelon!
Wala naman masyadong kwento, pero alam mo ba? Di ba may pinapanood akong movie kagabi?
I'm gonna save my blanket.
Ano? 10 things I hate about you. 10 things I hate about you. Hindi ko pa yung tapos ko na oras kasi inantok na ako kagabi.
Tabago.
Alam mo ba ito pinapanood? May-recommend niya yun.
Oh, what is this? Oh my god! It's like a new goodie. Ugly? Good. Saba, no.
Nagtatanong ako.
No.
Mahilig kasi siya sa rom-com.
So
Tapos
good.
sabi ko mag-suggest na sa ganyan. Wait lang. Tapos, ayun, nung sinabi ko mag-suggest na yan, sabi ko, sige, nanonood yung next time. Eh, kagabi, may time naman ako. Nanood ako.
This is
Hindi
like
ko lang natapos. So, ang na kasi ako, eh, siyempre, tulog muna, tulog ko.
oh my god, he's so dirty. Ew. So satisfying.
Eh, go, hindi naman ako na,
many.
hindi ko naman sinasabi, oh.
This box so many blankets. Bye bye guys. Starting subscribe.